Let's build an AI agent together using the new Haiku 4.5 model from Anthropic. By the way, I have this free template for you guys. It's an AI agent inside of N8N. It's over inside of my free community, Automate What Academy. You just hit up the classroom, go to free resources, and you'll find it right here. This new model just launched. It's a lighter weight, cheaper alternative to Claude Sonnet 4.5. When it comes to agentic tool use, these are the benchmarks for Claude Haiku 4.5, and you can see they're very similar to the benchmarks with Claude Sonnet 4.5. But it's a fraction of the cost for $1 per 1 million input tokens and $5 per 1 million output tokens. Let's get building our AI agent. First thing we're gonna do is add this chat node, and then we're also gonna add this AI agent node over here, AI agent. Go ahead, click add. Now let's hook up the brain to this AI agent, the brain being Haiku 4.5. Click this little branch right here, and we're gonna go over to Anthropic chat model, and this is where we're gonna make our connection. I already have my connection, but I wanna walk you through where to go to find your API key from Anthropic so that we can plug it into N8N. First thing, you'll need to create a new credential. Click that, and it's gonna take you to a screen that looks like this. We need our API key. Log into your Claude console right here, and then go down to API keys right there, and then this is where we go to create an API key. So API keys, create API key. We're gonna leave the workspace as default and then go ahead and give your new key a name. Go ahead and click add, and then it's gonna populate this API key for you. You want to treat this as a password. Don't worry, I'm gonna delete this before posting the video. Copy this key right here. Go back to your workflow, paste that in right there. You can rename your connection up here if you want, then hit the save button and you're good to go. With your connection successful, that's great, but we actually need to credit your account. Hopping back over to your Claude API console, in this same screen, you can go to billing, and the minimum amount to credit your account is $5, I believe, and it's pretty much straightforward. You just do the process right here. I had to switch my credentials really quick because I was using an old API key that I deleted. So once you have all that complete, you credited $5 minimum to your Anthropic API console, and you got your API key, you connected it to N8N. You can now select from the models. Let's go ahead and select Claude Haiku 4.5. And this is a bug, I believe. You can't just leave it there. You actually need to add these options. So go to sampling temperature. We're gonna delete this and then add one more option, top P. We're gonna leave that as 1.0. Once that's all done, then you can hit save and let's take it for a spin. So open up the chat and let's just say testing 1, 2, 3. Fire it off, it's gonna do its thing and get back to us with a response. That's awesome, but I can do that inside of Claude. Let's go ahead and hook up some tools and memory to make this an AI agent. Going over to memory, we can do simple memory, and this allows our AI agent to remember the previous 10 messages or the previous 20 messages. However far you want your AI agent to go back and have context of the conversation, go ahead and set that number right here. I like to do 10 by default. And then this is where you go to hook up your tools. Do you want it to be able to schedule events in your calendar? Do you want to send emails? What do you want your AI agent to be able to do? I found this really cool tool recently. It's called scrapecreators.com, and it lets me get the analytics, or in this case, the transcript of any video on social media. We always need to give our tools a brief description, so use this tool to get the transcript for a TikTok video. We're using the get method, we're inserting our URL. I've already gone through and added my API key into a variable so I could insert that in one of the headers. Our only query parameter is URL, and the description is insert the TikTok video link in here. This is a really cool trick inside of N8N. Make.com also has this feature now. You can actually let the model decide. So this little sparkly icon right here, we can choose that, we can toggle that on, and this lets Haiku 4.5 determine what information to input for that value. Just make sure to give it a description so it knows what to insert into that value. Then we're all set, we can hit save and let's take it for a spin. Let's say I wanna get the transcript from a competitor's TikTok video. I can literally go to the video on TikTok, go up here, copy the link, you can't see it on the video, come back here and instruct your AI agent, get the transcript, and then just insert the link right there and it'll fire off, do its thing, hit up Scrape Creators for us, and then get back to us with the entire transcript. And here we go. Most people think that AI receptionists can't handle complex tasks, blah, blah, blah. This is one of my videos that I recently posted about AI receptionists. They're really cool, by the way. These AI agents, they're awesome. You can do some really cool stuff, but they're really useful if you integrate them with a tool that you already use inside of your business, such as Slack or Telegram. I don't want to have to log in and go to this specific automation to interact with this AI agent. I just want to go to a designated Slack channel or mention a Slack bot, a designated Slack bot, and then fire away with my questions or tasks that I want the AI agent to do. And that's what this setup looks like. I mentioned it briefly at the beginning of this video. I have this template available for you guys over in my free community. You can just click the link in my bio and find it there. For example, I have this all-in-one agent for a law firm. It's just a demo, but I can go into this channel and I can fire away and tell the AI agent what I want it to do or what information I want it to get back to me. It can hit up all of my tools like check my availability in my calendar, schedule events, send emails. It can even hit up my really complex database database that has all of my company knowledge. Any meeting that I've had, any email that I've sent or received, any document, any procedure, any current project that I have with a client, all of my contacts list, literally anything that goes into your business, it can hit up that complex knowledge base and then get back to me with a factual result. This is extremely powerful and valuable stuff, saving business owners and team members so much time. When it comes to AI, let alone AI agents, the context is key. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I'm excited to see you guys over in Automate What Academy.